Assalamu alaikum. It's morning time, and morning is one of the important modalities from homeopathic point of view. We can see and work out with several modalities in this morning time video. One is riding in a car, in a carriage where there is jarring and jolting. Second is sunlight. Sunlight is important from many point of views. And third is motion, moving. Many symptoms become aggravated when you are moving, and especially I would like to mention that vertigo becomes aggravated or maybe ameliorated when you see the fast moving things like this. We are moving in a car, and we can see the fast things passing by. This can trigger vertigo also, and sometimes sudden movements right and left, it can become an important point from this traveling point of view. Third is that there is nausea and vomiting, and which we can say car sickness or motion sickness, which becomes aggravated when you are turning like this or going uphills on the mountains. Then these things become important. So all these modalities are carefully to be taken from homeopathic point of view, and they need to be added with the specific complaints, and sometimes in generally you have to take these symptoms. Like in the morning time, there is morning stiffness. From the rheumatic point of view, there is morning stiffness. When you wake up in the morning, your muscles become stiff and you are unable to quickly walk or move. Then gradually things become warm up, and then you can move around. And from mental point of view, sometimes there is sadness when you wake up in the morning. When you wake up in the morning, you feel sad, you feel down, and you don't feel to do anything, and aversion to work, you want to be sleepy, and so this trip of morning coming to the homeopathic clinic, Sharif's Homeopathy, is an important modality which can be taken independently also and along with the specific problems. Thank you.